Are you one of the affiliate marketers who are keen to get a head start with Russell Brunson's latest offering? If yes, the Secrets of Success affiliate program might be your golden ticket. This program gives you an opportunity to get early VIP access, offering a range of benefits that set you apart from the average participant. Signing up for this exclusive access means you're first in line for all the new tools, strategies, and resources that Secrets of Success has to offer. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, or just someone looking to skyrocket their online business, getting early access gives you a competitive edge. Don't miss the boat on this opportunity. The Secrets of Success affiliate program allows you to not only benefit personally, but also earn by promoting a program you believe in. It's a win-win situation, promising both financial rewards and invaluable knowledge. There is a limited window for VIP access, making it crucial to get on the waitlist now. Time is of the essence if you want to supercharge your journey to success. Take action today and secure your spot in this game-changing affiliate program. What is Secrets of Success affiliate program? Russell Brunson, the trailblazer behind ClickFunnels, has crafted another masterpiece, Secrets of Success. This guide of ideas is more than mere advice. It offers revolutionary strategies tailored for success in the digital age. The program focuses on strategic thinking, efficient practices, independent decision-making, and result-oriented actions. Its goal goes beyond knowledge transfer. It aims to cultivate an abundance mindset, unlocking doors to exponential growth. Secrets of Success is a teaching tool and a call to inspiration and action. It provides the framework to take control of your destiny. Described as the movement revolution in entrepreneurial circles, it promises a new era in achieving business success. W. Day Tipes, tinyurl.com YC7FC97.